In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and share Instagram Playback Reels in 2025. First, open the Instagram app. To start browsing Playback, tap the Reels icon or open the Reels tab from your home screen. This will take you into a vertical feed of short videos tailored to your interests. As you watch, you're in control of Playback. You can view Reels at normal speed or speed them up to 2x by pressing and holding along the right or left edge of the screen. When you let go, the reel returns to normal speed. If you need to pause at any moment, maybe to read on-screen text or take a closer look, tap and hold anywhere on the screen, then release to resume. Reels can be up to 3 minutes long and often include captions, music, AR effects, stickers, and filters to enhance the experience. If you're watching in a quiet place, those captions can make it easier to follow along, and effects and stickers often highlight key moments or instructions in the video so you don't miss important details. Sharing is just as straightforward. When you find a reel or video you want to pass along, tap the share icon, which looks like a paper airplane. From there, choose the option that best fits your goal. Add to your story lets you share with all your followers for 24 hours, which is great for quick highlights. Send as a direct message is perfect for private sharing with specific people or groups. Share to feed appears when it's your own reel and you want to repost it to your profile. You can also download your own reels and share them outside Instagram. Just make sure you have the rights to all included music and visuals, and always respect copyright and content ownership. In 2025, Instagram includes helpful additions that improve playback and sharing. AI-based editing tools like Edits help creators polish their videos, so you'll see cleaner cuts, clearer captions, and more consistent audio. You can also repost favorite public reels from other creators to your feed or story when their settings allow it, making it easier to spotlight content you love while keeping credit clear. And remember, that playback speed control up to 2x is there whenever you want to move through longer clips more quickly. These steps will help you confidently view and share Instagram playback, especially Reels, in the current 2025 app experience. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.